Oil has seen a good reversal this week with the support at $70 levels. In fact, has gone close to 78 and now close the week at 74.6. Why $70 levels are important? We have seen in our previous analysis multiple times that oil is expanding in this, trading in this expanding triangle, and $70 levels is certainly up, is the bottom of this channel. Now, will it breach this next week and can trade till towards 60, or is it going to be the reversal from here? If yes, which position we should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profit. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon which will keep you updated with the daily analysis and targets which I share for oil and natural gas early in the day with the Asia session. Do watch that also. Let's start, and you can see last week higher lows, and in fact yes, it is lower highs, but yes, the candle was half the size of the previous complete move. Now you can see it has gone till towards 78. However, the body size is very small. Another observation, yes, it is giving you higher lows. It does mean that the bears are not willing to take it further down. Also, this is the bottom of the channel which we had seen. Now, also if you look at the near term charts, on the near term charts, you'll find, see, lower highs, lower lows. Now, this is a channel in which it is trying to trade for next week. It is 68 to 88 and the median at around 78 levels. Last week it was 70 to 90, median at around 80. So you can call 80 levels certainly be a good resistance zone, because beyond which it may try to trade on the first half of this channel. It means it will try to attempt and achieve the top of this channel, which is at 88-90 levels. So first thing is it has to break past 80 for it to confirm the bullishness there. 78 to 80 zone certainly going to be the strongest resistance for oil. Beyond that, certainly little more bullishness can be seen. So this is next observation. And another part to it, see, this is the bottom of this channel, this is the bottom of this channel too, and hence this intersection at 70 becomes important. Yes, once it breaks past 70, it is going to give you further bearishness, which might bring it till towards 66, 64, and in fact at $60 levels. But this is going to happen or not, let's have a look. Now, if you observe, another observation on charts here is, look at the, for this few weeks it traded with a resistance at 92, and in fact here it tried to breach past 9800 but failed to do so, and now with the resistance at 92, it has certainly taken a shape here. It is trying to trade downwards. Now this is certainly a bearish channel, and it has to break past 90 for it to confirm the bullish reversal for near future. Till the time it trades between, you can say, 70 to 90, we have to remain extremely cautious. Now this is on the weekly charts. Let's have a look at the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts, double bottom here, a reversal or a retracement, I will say, and then in the last two trading sessions we have seen a good drop. Now look at the behavior of oil: drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement, consolidation, drop, retracement, and again trying to drop. So yes, it is certainly creating lower highs and lower lows and trying to trade bearish. Now once you see it dropping below this zone at 76, 73, you can expect we may see another support here at around 71.5, and then 70 below that, and again a good drop can be seen. So that is one part you should look forward to. Trading below 73, certainly little more bearishness, but then 71.5 and 70, these two support levels are going to come, which are going to play a major role for oil next week. So yes, we can take a sell at 74, but then expect 73 as the major support, then 72, 71.5, and then 70 levels. Still 70, it has got very strong support. If it fails to trade below 70, consider that it is going to reverse again. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the monthly candle. On the monthly charts, you can find out, see the previous body, and if you look at the size of the body, 80 to 86, 87 levels, $7, 8, and if you look at the from here 80 to 73, $7, the month end, probably it may try to give either the similar size of body, because see the behavior here, the tail and the wick size same, tail and the wick size almost same. Now the candle is trying to create a body. It appears it has seen the bottom for the month, and it should not break below $70 for the month of December, and it may try to give you the swing in between this zone itself, that is 80 rather I will say 90 to 70 zone itself. It may try to swing for the rest of the month. Breaking below 70, certainly it definitely has a very strong support till towards the zone at 60. I'll wait for it to break past 70 for it to confirm the further bearish momentum. So we have seen the charts. Let's have a look with the indicators. What are the indicators are suggesting? It is trading below the 20, 50, 100 period moving average. It was trading outside the Bollinger Bands, got the retracement here. Now the 20 period moving average situated at around 75.5, 76 levels are giving it a very strong resistance. Once it trades about 20 period moving average, certainly it may try to trade little bit of, or it may try to show little bit of bullishness, and hence next week if you see it trading above this zone at 76, you can certainly remain long. The directional movement here is divergent and bearish. Stochastic is near to the high, now looking downwards again. The MACD has crossed over for a bullish move. This is the third green candle. It is trading with very little divergence. RSI again trying to look downwards. And if you look at the weekly charts, now look at the weekly charts. The 20 weeks and 50 weeks period moving average are almost crossing over here, and the 100 period moving average is also situated at around 80 to 84 zone. So once it breaks past 90, then only consider that it is trying to take bullish reversal. Also remember, oil traded outside the Bollinger Bands, and that is why it has got a little pushback on the upside. That is another region that the Bollinger Bands giving it a very strong support there. The directional movement here is bearish. The stochastic is oversold and now trying to look upwards from here. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and the RSI is also trading at bottom. So on the weekly charts, most of the indicators are almost at bottom. Now look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, remember this fact that after a bit of consolidation, it is trying to create a step. This is the first candle, and if you look at, once it breaks past $90, then only confirm this is bullish. This is very sure. Also, if you look at the directional movement, so far was trading bullish and now trying to cross over for a bearish move. Let's see if it does. RSI is oversold on the monthly chart, but it can, if it can sustain the overbought zone, it can sustain the oversold levels too. The MACD has crossed over at a high and it is divergent and bearish. This we have seen in the previous analysis also, that this crossover is happening at a high and then probably it can sustain the bearish momentum, and hence this also indicates that oil has still further downside in the coming months probably, and it will be important for us to know that where it closes this month, because that is going to be the beginning of the next move which it takes in January. Right now it appears it has further bearishness left for it to continue with the momentum there. RSI looking downwards, indicating little weakness there. So now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for us to define the levels and strategy for next week. And first, let's talk about where to buy. And before I proceed, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, join my mentorship batch starting on 9th of January. That is going to be the 18th batch. Be a part of it. Definitely you will cherish the learnings and equip yourself with the right tools and strategies so that you can trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs and Telegram channel IDs also mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's see where to buy, and yes, I will recommend you to buy at 75.2, but then 75.6, 76, and then 77.2 and 78.2. These are going to be the next resistance zone. Beyond that, still 79.2 and 80. Now till here it has got very good resistance there. Only and only if it trades above 80, it will try to trade further bullish. Then we can look forward to 82, 84 zone, which is going to be the next resistance zone. So first for next week 76, then 78, then 80. These levels are certainly going to be good resistance, and if it trades beyond 80, certainly more bullish momentum can be expected. But remember, it is closed in green and the candle is half the size of the closed body is half the size of the complete move, and hence if it opens above 75, certainly it can try to give you little bullish momentum. On the downside with the support at 70, 72, you can certainly remain long. That is my expectation. But on the downside, we have to enjoy the trade on the both sides. We have to make profit trading both the sides, and that is why I say you can sell here at 73.8, Below that, see 73, very very strong support, then 72, the next strong support, and then 71.5. If these three are taken, then only I will consider this as little bit bearish. Then I will be looking forward to 70.5 and then 70. Once it breaks below 70, certainly my target is for 68, 66. Now if this is going to happen in 1 week or it is going to take few weeks, that we need to see. But yes, below that certainly it may try to hit this zone at 62 and 60 levels. This is going to be very very important for oil there. So if it happens in this month, this week, next month, next week, that we need to just wait and watch for. But yes, certainly trading and staying below 70, it will call for the bearishness there. Hence, take your positions accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.